In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Siteground hosting subscription for 2024 in just about 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring the process is smooth and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Siteground's official website. You'll need to get to the home page where you can access all hosting related services. The URL you should type in is world.siteground.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if needed. The next step is clicking the login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the screen. This is crucial because logging in allows you to access all your account details and manage your hosting services. Enter your login credentials. Remember, these are your email address and password associated with your Siteground account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's typically an option to reset it. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your personalized Siteground dashboard. Here, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for My Siteground account and click on it. This will take you to a page specifically designed to manage your hosting plans and other services. It's a nifty hub that keeps all your important information and options in one place. Now focus on finding the Services tab. This is usually prominently displayed in your account dashboard. Clicking on Services will lead you to a listing of all the services you've subscribed to with Siteground. It's here where you can see the current status of each service, including expiration dates, which are essential for tracking when renewals are due. From the Services menu, you'll want to locate the Settings option, which will typically appear once you've selected a specific service. Clicking on Settings will bring up all the configurable elements related to your hosting service, such as domain management and email configurations. This section provides you with the detailed controls to manage your hosting plan effectively. Finally, it's time to renew your service. Look for the Renew button, which you'll generally find next to the details of your hosting plan. Clicking this will initiate the renewal process. Here, you'll be able to select the duration for which you would like to renew your hosting. Payment details need to be confirmed or updated depending on what you have saved in your account. Ensure all details are correct before proceeding to finalize the transaction. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully renewed your Siteground hosting subscription for another term. Keeping your hosting services up to date ensures that your website remains live and fully functional without any interruptions. Thank you for following along, and good luck with all your future hosting needs.